So this GoPro now is on a tripod and I've just tucked it down my shirt. So I just wanted to show you how I sort my camera out when I'm putting it on my chest mount. So this is something I just discovered yesterday. So I'm just going to show you. So this is the tripod it's on, and what I do once it's inside my shirt is I expand these two arms, so it's sort of holding onto my body. So I'll show you exactly what I'm doing. So I open my shirt a bit and just slot it in like that. Put it down, make sure that's just because I got it tangled the other day. So I've got this bit here that gets tangled and that bit there. So I just make sure they're both inside like that. And then you can adjust it to any height you like, obviously, because it's kind of resting on the zip there. So if you want it at that height, and then once it's inside, I just grab these two legs here and leverage them out so as the camera doesn't twist once it's inside, and then just push them in, so as it's sort of conforming to your body shape, and then just make sure the camera's straight like that, and then just make sure also that the angle is okay, so you can just swivel it up. Another reason that I use this is because it's wearing that chest mount strap is sort of very confining, and also in the weather over here it's extremely hot. So this is better still because you got your shirt open a bit more than usual, and you got a bit more airflow coming in your shirt when you're cycling. So yeah, I find it works out really well. Now I need to also just mention that this tripod I'm using, so that's what it's like once it's inside, and it sort of stays in quite comfortably. It's unlikely to fall out. I mean, I haven't obviously tried it for very long. I've only used it like that for 2 days, and I was thinking about this today, and I think for the ladies, if you've got your sort of undergarments on, you can sort of hook one of the back leg. So I have these two front legs sticking out like that, and this one's just up against my chest here. So ladies, you can just slot this under your undergarments right there, and that's just going to keep it there for sure. And guys, if you're wearing these heart monitors, these heart chest straps, again, I mean, that's going to hold the legs nice and steady for you. So I'm using this GoPro Hero 7 Black, and yeah, I mean, it's got stabilization, so I'm not too concerned about it moving around. It does move about a bit, especially if you're going over rough terrain. Yeah, so this is my, I'm calling it the Jacko chest mount. That's my nickname for this method. And yeah, this tripod, it was sort of 50p or something like that. And yeah, I mean, I've been using it a long time, 2 years for sure. You can see it's a bit broken. It's not the strongest, but yeah, I mean, if you're a bit careful with it, I mean, I wrap it around trees and stuff and all sorts. I'm not all that careful with it, but it's hanging in there. The Jacko chest mount.